going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Starting off today, I found a fun little Ripple faucet. So a lot of you have asked, what is a great way for me to earn Ripple if I support Ripple? I think Ripple's a great coin. It's obviously had a lot of movement and a lot of people weren't able to get on board in time to own some Ripple. So here's a good chance for you guys to make up some Ripple. It's a low enough coin value to where faucets can actually earn you whole Ripple pieces just with a little bit of time. This is from 2 hours of playing right here. So within a couple days or about a week, you could easily get a few Ripple coins, transfer them to your Ripple wallet and hold on to those. So I'll just show you how it works, guys. Essentially every hour you just come down to it, you find all the cars and the photos, and then you go ahead and roll. And after you roll, it'll be a number right here I got in this first tier. So you basically get some micro cents of that. But if you do this every hour for a couple days, you can essentially earn a few Ripple for yourself. So check it out, guys. A lot of fun. I'm a big fan of faucets. A lot of you guys have seen the free Litecoin faucet I do. And if you're constant with them, and it's not like you're giving much time to log on really quick, click a button in your free time. To me, it's passive income where I don't really have to do any work, but I get a free percent of money. It may not be much, but money is still money. So I'm one of the guys, if I see a penny on the sidewalk, I'll pick up that penny because it grows income. Don't think small amounts of currency are worthless, especially when you're looking at small altcoins that are microcurrencies. Pick up a few if you can. You never know where they're going if you just hold them for a couple months or even a couple years. So check out this Ripple coin faucet, guys. I'll put a link down below for you to have some fun and earn some free Ripple. So coming over to BitConnect. What is this? Texas State Security Board in the matter of BitConnect, yada yada yada, cease and desist. So for those of you logging on to BitConnect today, you would have seen a little pop-up right in the center of the screen asking you what state you're from and saying that if you're from the state of Texas, you can no longer make loans on BitConnect, but you will still receive your daily payouts and your capital releases and everything. So Texas, in an effort to get Texas citizens into buying Texas-made commodities and investing into Texas oil companies and Texas assets, Texas has released this cease and desist order to BitConnect. Of course, that doesn't affect BitConnect as a platform. The only thing it's affecting is if you're in Texas and you have a BitConnect or you're wanting to get into BitConnect. There are lots of ways around this, and we don't even know if this is a permanent order from Texas. It could just be temporary from the time being. But Texas does this with a lot of different things. They did it with USI Tech, which is a great investment platform and technology company, and now Texas has done it with BitConnect. Outside of the crypto space, they've done it with quite a few things. Texas is pretty strict with the rules and regulations for their citizens. A lot of people, if they go and type in VPN Texas, you will actually see that this is one of the top searches for VPNs. What a VPN is it is something that disguises your IP address. You can download it. So that is a way to get around it if you want. I'm not encouraging you to break your state laws, but if you're really wanting to get around it, check out the best VPN for USA Texas. This happens a lot with Texas where they shut down things, and Texas citizens, although it's an awesome state, try to get around it. So I'm sorry for you guys. Now for the rest of you, nothing to worry about. I think BitConnect is still rolling strong. In fact, let's do a quick reinvest right now to continue showing my support and love for the platform. All right, there's another $10 lend, bringing my total investment now up to $2,430. I have invested in the platform, constantly growing it every day. As you can see in my lending wallet, I almost have enough for another $10 lend. So guys, nothing to be worried about if you're a supporter of BitConnect. I understand your concern, but the platform hasn't let us down yet. We've already seen them releasing new updates. They're coming out with BitConnect X. The issue is not with the BitConnect platform, more or less it's the issue with the Texas government. And I think this is something we're gonna see as we continue to go into 2018 and in the years to come, with governments really wanting to restrict decentralized cryptocurrencies. We're seeing that more and more now, where governments are concerned because they're seeing that people are interested in cryptocurrencies, they're interested in earning money, and the government is losing control. The big banks and puppeteers of the governments are losing control because of people switching to something decentralized like Bitcoin, like cryptocurrency, like BitConnect platforms, where the people are able to make their money with without going through a bank. So we're gonna see this more and more. I don't know how many states it will come to, but just know that this is actually showing that cryptocurrency is having an impact. It's making waves and the people are being heard in the crypto space. So be on the lookout for more stuff coming from governments and all that. It's no cause for alarm. If anything, it's showing that cryptocurrency is making an impact in the world. I'm not too worried about it, guys. I'll keep you updated. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that you get any updates coming your way. Another great lending platform is DAVORCOIN. For those of you who are saying, okay, I'm in Texas, I don't want to break Texas law, check out DAVORCOIN. It is very similar to BitConnect. It's a legit company. They have their own cryptocurrency called DAVORCOIN, worth currently $94 a coin against the price of Bitcoin, which is sitting on their website at around 17,000 right now. It's a great investment tool that I've just started investing in, and I've seen great returns so far. Their daily interest rates are better than BitConnect's, more like BitConnect was in the beginning, and a lot of people are saying that this is going to be a program that's around for years to come. In fact, I just got their 2018 roadmap emailed to me this morning. I checked it out. It looks good. I'll have to do that in another video where we kind of go through the DAVORCOIN roadmap. So if you're worried about BitConnect, which again, I say there's no need for concern, there's no need for all the FUD for BitConnect, but I understand if you're from Texas and you want to try something different that is accepted by your state, then check out DAVORCOIN. Very similar with a little bit better interest rates, so check that out. I'll put a link in the description for you down below. Alright guys, with that, let's head on over to the comment picker. If you did not know, I give away $10 of Litecoin every single day to those of you who are subscribed to the channel, that have liked the videos, turned on post notifications, and commented your Litecoin addresses down below. It enters you in to win a chance at $10 worth of Litecoin, one of my top picks for 2018. So let's go ahead and see who today's winner is. Winner, Steven Torres. Your content is always entertaining and filled with great fundamentals. Will you ever be doing a live stream one day? I'm interested in learning some trading strategies. Altcoins will have a great increase this year. I've invested in Verge and Digibyte. Do you think those two coins will do it well this year and I should hold it or sell it as soon as I reach a profitable value? Thank you for your video as always. Well, Steven, to answer your first question, I am looking to do some live streaming stuff coming here in the future. I want to build my fan base up a little more. I think I want to do some live stream stuff when I have upwards of 1,000 followers, just so I have some cool engagement on the videos. So hopefully here in the next month or so, I'll be hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark. We'll probably do a fun giveaway around then, and maybe I'll do it via live stream. So we'll check that out. As far as Verge and Digibyte, both great coins. Verge has taken a hit recently, but that does not mean it won't go up in 2018. You know, it could very well go to the moon this next year. I am not holding any Verge right now, but I want to be. So that's gonna be an investment soon for me here. And as far as Digibyte goes, looks like a great coin. Definitely want to get some Digibyte. All right, Steven, let's copy your Litecoin address here and send you $10 worth of Litecoin. Looks like that checks out. Let's send $10 US worth of Litecoin. Congrats on winning. Nice little 24-cent network fee. As always, Litecoin is great for transactions, although they are having a little delay. You should see this very soon. So here you go, man. Here's your Litecoin. Thanks for entering to win, Steven. It is on its way. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't be alarmed at all the BitConnect FUD. I still believe BitConnect is going great places this year. They've got a lot of big things coming our way, taking a look at that 2018 BitConnect roadmap. But if you're leery, check out DAVORCOIN, another great site that has proven to be really valuable and trustworthy, guys. I just encourage you to find ways to create passive income for yourself to give you financial freedom this year in 2018. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video, and comment your Litecoin address down below to enter you to win for tomorrow's giveaway. Alright guys, have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.